Hey guys! Want to see something cool? Create a mound of sand and make a small hole at the peak. Pour small amounts of water into the hole. Don't pour too much or pour too fast. Carefully remove any loose sand around the hole. You'll be left with a sand donut. Pretty neat. I love the beach. Whoa! Look at that view! Take my photo! Smile! How's this? Looking good! That's it! Nice! One more! What was that? Ah! A bird just pooped on me! What's wrong? A bird just pooped on me! Get it off! Seriously? That's so funny! I've got poop on me! It's not funny! Hold on. I might have something that can help. I always come prepared. To the sea! It's so yucky! I need to wash this off. Oops! Careful! My soap! No! Take it easy. Look what I have. Clean up anytime with this useful soap hack. Use a vegetable peeler to remove shavings from a bar of soap. You don't need a lot. That should do it. Next, take a small jar and place the shavings into it. And screw on the lid. This is perfect! It's exactly what I needed! No more bird poop. Thanks! No problem, bestie! Uh-oh! They look mad! We better run! This tastes so good! Oh, I think I have something stuck in my teeth. Hi. Hi. Please tell me he didn't see that.
Can you take a photo?
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
Sure. Why not? How cute. Smile! How do they look?
You see that?
Madison? You make me sick.
Surprise!
It's beautiful! Ugh. That's it. I've had enough. Time for some romance. Cheers! This smells delicious. I'm looking forward to this. I need to set the mood. Oh, this is heavy. Every date needs flowers. Stay. I'll switch these over. Can't wear this. This looks cute. My date can capture the moment. Ready, honey? These look amazing! Oh, I almost forgot. It would be a shame to waste it. There's one good thing about being single. More food for me. Ready? I've got the suitcase. Let's start packing. I'm definitely taking this. The color really suits me. I love this! I forgot about this dress! Ooh, I need to take this dress. Madison? What do you think? What are you doing? You can't take that. Not fair! I bought it first. This is mine! Let go! Stop it! Yes! It's mine! I mean… Oh, this is nice. I'm definitely packing this. This is gorgeous. Nah, nah. I have this. You're coming on vacation too. That's a lot of clothes. Is it gonna fit in the case? Let's find out. Go on, Naomi! You can do it! You're doing great! Almost! Keep going! Nope. This isn't gonna work. Looks like you need some help. Push harder! Maybe if I cram it in! It's not working. What's wrong with you two? Too many clothes. I can fix that. Start by laying a piece of clothing flat. Then place another in the opposite direction. Keep doing that, building up layers. And the snacks! Then start folding from the top. Keep folding until you have a neat bundle. Just like this. Then place it into your suitcase. It'll close easily. Zip it up and you're ready to go. Thanks, Annie! No problem! I can't have any creases. I need it to look perfect. Oh, someone's calling me. Hey, how's things? Really? I don't believe it! He didn't. He did? I'm just getting ready. I'll be there soon. Time to go. I feel a little cold, but hey, I look good. Woo-hoo-hoo! I love this song! Let's party! Looking good, girls! Huh? Oh. What? Is that a new style? Madison, look at this. Wow, that's not a good look. Should we tell her? Hey, what happened to the music? You have a problem. What is it? My skirt! This is so embarrassing! I need a change! Hold up! I have an idea! I need this table cover. This seems like a good spot. First, I'll remove my hair tie. Then step into it. I'll put it around my waist. I'll take the table cover and start to make folds in it. I'll keep the folds nice and tight. That looks good. And I'll tuck it into my hair tie. And start to pull it around my waist. I better make sure I cover everything. It looks great and will go with anything. I should get back to the girls. I'm back! Oh, wow! I love your skirt! This old thing. Oh, bedtime at last. I'm so tired. Morning already? What a great sleep. Where are my glasses? Everything's so blurry. Maybe they're over here. Whoa! Well, they're not on the floor. Where are they? Aha! Got them! Why is it so dark? No, that's my sunglasses! What's under here? Yes! Ooh, these smell bad. I searched everywhere. But I found them. Hey, I've got an idea. I'll tuck the corner of my bedsheet into the bed frame. It makes a pocket for my glasses. Time to get up. And my glasses are right here. And I can see. Steady. Almost. Phew. That was so stressful. This is the last of my toiletries. I think that's everything. I was just gonna take this bottle of shampoo. Hold on. Straw. Shampoo. Straw. I have a great idea! This is gonna work. I'll squeeze the shampoo into the straw. Easy. Oh, I need one more thing. I'll be right back. Oh, that drink looks good. Just a quick drink. Ugh! That tastes disgusting! How can Madison drink this? What is in this? Shampoo, obviously. Watch this. Cut a straw in half. Turn the straw upright and pour in the shampoo. Then place the straw on its side. Put heat-proof paper at one end. And use hair straighteners to seal the end of the straw. Just like this. Flip the straw over and do the same at the other side. The straw is now sealed. All that's left to do is label it. It's an easy way to store your toiletries. Do this for all your other liquids and creams. What do you think? Look at all the space I've saved! Whoa! Pretty smart, right? I think we're ready to go. Want a quick drink? I'm good. When you're traveling, you don't need any problems or worries. Hopefully these hacks help your journey be stress-free. What's your favorite travel tip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.